from the Supreme Court. Remember, the Cauvery water dispute was up for hearing from Karnataka's end in the Supreme Court today. Karnataka wanted a review of the court order with effect to the release of 9,000 cusecs of water to Tamil Nadu. What we understand now is that the hearing has now been deferred to the 12th of October. There have been massive protests, meanwhile, in Karnataka over the order which was upheld by the Apex Court to release 9,000 cusecs of water. Protests especially broke out in Mandya, where fisher folks joined in the issue and protested against the release of that water. That matter was then taken up by the Karnataka government. CM Jagdish Shettar meeting SM Krishna also earlier on, talking about the issue being taken up by the Prime Minister, for the Prime Minister to send a team to the state to review the ground situation. The Prime Minister has called a meeting of all party leaders to discuss the issue. Kunal Shankar now joins us with more details from the Supreme Court. Kunal, every day is really important as far as this issue goes, because there have been massive protests in Karnataka. What is that side saying now with the hearing now deferred?
Well, Maha, actually it is Karnataka that sought not a deferment of its application, but more so a clarification that the Supreme Court's 28th September order, which almost endorsed the CRA chairperson, the Prime Minister's order of releasing 9,000 cusecs of water every day from the 20th of September to the 15th of October, was upheld by the Supreme Court. The Karnataka side expressed apprehension that their review petition that has been filed against that order of the CRA chairperson on the 19th could be an impediment, because the Supreme Court has upheld that order and the Prime Minister, who is also the CRA chairperson, could consider it as final. The Supreme Court seems to have found merit in that argument, saying that indeed, after all, the final authority in the CRA, the Cauvery River Water Authority, is really the Prime Minister. And if a review has been filed against his own order, the Supreme Court's order upholding his order should not be seen as an impediment in him taking a decision on the review petition filed by Karnataka government. That is as far as what has happened here in court. Indeed, of course, the Tamil Nadu government vehemently argued, saying that the Cauvery River Water Authority rules prohibit filing or seeking a review of its own order. But Karnataka seems to be disagreeing with that, arguing for them. Senior counsel Pali Nariman in court said that there is very much a provision of review even within the Cauvery River Water Authority, and they have actually exercised that provision. Right. It is in a way a partial relief for the Karnataka side, which now would hope that its review finds favor with the Prime Minister when it will be meeting on the 11th of October.
Clearly, the ball is now in the Prime Minister's court, who's also going to meet all party leaders from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu to really understand the situation.